Hi guys, welcome back. It's Leslie. Thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. If you're new here, hope you do subscribe by the end of this video. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with me. You may notice that I'm a little blonder than I normally am. So I'm gonna give you these details about this wig in a second. I am so thankful that Irresistible Me sent me this wig. It is the second time I'm doing a review for them. And yes, this is my first time kind of laying a wig with no dark roots on it. So how do you think I did?
Let me tell you guys about this vegan fiber wig that was sent to me by Irresistible Me. The packaging was beautiful, the hair was beautiful, soft, the hairline was lovely. I did have to pluck it a little bit. Now this is the blondest I've ever gone with no dark root, and tell you the blonde was blonding. The application was much easier than I thought, but it actually really went well with some makeup just in the hairline and all across the top. It was much easier, much smoother than I thought it would go. And guys, watch. Here is the finished look. I got so many compliments on this wig. It really suited me. It was very beautiful and it lasted so long with no tangling. It's up to 70% off for Black Friday. What are you doing? Go find the link below.
But I'm also going to show you the 4 things that I got because I won my Fishland game on Temu. So this is my Temu mini haul that I'm going to, show you guys today, and I hope you do like it. It took me forever to finish Fishland. It literally took me forever. So it's not something I think I don't recommend you doing it unless you just have a lot of time to invest on a daily basis to feeding your fish, and then you're going to make a lot of purchases also so that you can get more food, because I don't really think that it's possible to win the farmland or the Fishland game without making lots of purchases through Temu on a rolling basis. You're not going to get to the end without that, unless you invite a whole lot of people. I didn't invite any people, so that's also the thing. So it took me months, guys. So but winning is sweet, winning is fruitful. So here's what I got. The first thing that I got was this outfit that I have on. It's long sleeve, and let me show you. It has faith with the cross symbol on it. It is a 2-piece top and bottom. I actually think it looks a little bit like pajamas. I'm gonna show you right here. I think it looks a little bit like pajamas. So I wore it today with a jean jacket over it because the weather is cooling down and it seemed like it was appropriate to do that. So I think if you can wear it and be comfortable around the house for sure. This is definitely loungewear, but this is also kind of go run out to the store wear, go, to the volleyball game wear, all of that kind of stuff. And that's what I did today. I went to my daughter's volleyball game in it. And it worked very well. So just paired it with some sneakers and a jean jacket, and I was ready for fall. What do you think of this? I think it looks a little bit large on me, to be honest. I wish I had sized down just a little bit. However, if I'm mostly gonna wear it around the house, it's fine. Second thing that I got, I'm gonna grab it. Now I'm not gonna put this on because I just, did the hair, but this is a head wrap. I would say it's a head wrap, like an African style head wrap. I'm going to show the picture right here of what it would look like if I was to put it on. But I really liked, so basically you put the head cap, stocking cap part on, and what I liked, and then you put the braided part as a crown around your head over the stocking cap, and they are connected, they're together. What I really liked about this was the detailing in the front, if I could get it for you guys. So I like kind of that folded, so it looks like you're actually you actually wrapped it yourself. So it has that folded part, and then the gold beads on it. So maybe I'll insert a photo of myself at some point wearing it, but I thought this would be really nice those days when you don't want to put a wig on or you don't want to do your hair. Since I have a really short natural TWA underneath this, I could just rock this if I need to just run out to the mailbox, go to drop off my kids at school and I'm not getting out the car and nobody's going to see me, that sort of thing. Or maybe even pair this with an outfit and it really just actually be a going out thing. You know, put on your makeup, your lashes, some nice big earrings. You actually could rock this as a real actual style. Next thing were these earrings. And I'm just actually really excited about this whole Van Cleef dupe motif. I keep buying these things. Oh, see, they're falling out. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. The rhinestone detail, and it's a drop earring. Let me put these on for you guys and let me show you what they look like. I have these really simple gold hoops on right now. Dainty and very, very beautiful on the ear. Look at that, look at that. I'm gonna put the other one on. Yes, some very beautiful going out earrings. And of course, in my last haul that I just posted, I did get a bracelet and a necklace that were in this motif. So the three would go together wonderfully. If you have not seen that, go ahead and find that. I'll probably link it below also. And all of the details for the wig that I showed you will also be below if you didn't get that one. Last but not least, because I told you there were 4 items that I got, were these things. And they're in this pack. And what they are is here, let me grab one. These are for putting on lashes, which is why I don't have any lashes right now. We're gonna try these out together. It comes like this, and you have two of these for each lash that I'm dropping in my lap. But we're gonna try them with these lashes. I have not worn these ever, and I got these in the Waba Beauty box, which gives you 3 wigs per month. I also did a quick review for them as well. Go find that in my channel. But it's a subscription box and you get 3 wigs plus a whole lot of beauty accessories. And they sent me these lashes. So we're gonna try these self-adhesive lash band that you put on instead of glue. So they go glueless. It means you don't need to have glue on hand. And we're going to try them right here on camera. And I'm a little scared. We'll see what we get though. We'll see what we get. These are so long, guys. I don't know if these are going to look even good on me or not. But I cut a little bit of the lash band off. And here's the adhesive thingy. So from what I understand, you fold this back to expose the adhesive. So you see the little line, I folded that back. And now I'm going to put the lash on this and kind of press down on the lash to make sure it sticks to the adhesive. And then I'm going to pull the adhesive and everything off. So I got one. It has the sticky part to that. And now, let's pray. I got a mirror right here. Let's see what it does. Holy smokes, look how big that lash is. And it didn't quite stick, guys. It's not sticking on my inner corner, which is frustrating. Like, what the heck? I'm going to fly away. You know what? I have some different lashes I'm going to try. Okay, instead I've got these Dollar Tree lashes. They have little rhinestones in them, but they are way smaller and way less because that was just a little too much. And I have it on my thing. I'm gonna peel it off. Okay, it went on with that was actually much easier. It made it much easier to apply and to stick on. And I think I can remove them easily. Okay, let's do the other eye. Okay, I finally got them both on. If you can see, this is what they look like. It did take a few tries. The inner corner just wouldn't stick at first on both of them. I got them to do it, and so they are actually stuck on very well. So, but the thing is, they're stuck on really well. But if you make a mistake or you don't place them correctly, unlike glue where it dries and you just have to deal with it, you can, which I did several times, pull these off and re-situate them and it still stays sticky. So I guess the idea is that these are reusable, even though it doesn't seem like they would be after wearing them once, maybe twice. But I tried to pull the lash band off of it after adhering it to the thing just to see if it would come off by itself, and it wasn't. It was stuck solid to the lash itself. But yeah, these work better than I expected them to. However, I think I'm gonna stick to my self-adhesive lashes that I put underneath because strip lashes and me just don't get along, as you can see by the 10 solid minutes it took for me to put these on. It took me all that time, and even still I would still, because there is like a little bit in the corner that is a little stark. Even though it's stuck on there, it's on, it's not going anywhere. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Find all the links for everything that I got from playing Fishland. Find those links below. Hope you try out these adhesive strips for yourself. Just, don't use these lashes. I knew they were going to be too big when I looked at them. I knew these were going to make me feel like a whole clown when I put them on. So that might have been why they were free. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, take care and bye-bye.